Good evening, dear students. I welcome all the students for the passages class. See, today we are going to discuss a passage about migratory birds. First, let us discuss the question and options given there. Why do birds migrate? Birds migrate because of in search of food, climate which does not suit them, hot climate, cold climate. See, why do migratory birds go for migration? What is the reason it is asked? Four reasons are there: for food, for climate which does not suit them. When the climate does not suit them, they will go for migration. Due to hot climate, they will go for migration, or due to cold climate, do they go for migration? It is asked. Next, what happens to the food of birds in winter? What happens to the food of birds in winter? It is not available. It is stored. It becomes scarce. It is available in plenty. Means it is not available means no food. It is stored means food is stored. It becomes scarce means no low availability of food, and it available in plenty means more food is available. Now let me pass on to the third question. By watching the duration of day, birds are able to guess the dash changes in the air, changes in the weather, changes in the rain, or changes in clouds. See, they have all the birds or animals. They have a built-in clock in their brains. Through that, they can estimate the time of day. See, by watching the duration of day, what they can guess? Is it change in the weather or air or in the rain or in the clouds? It is asked. Let me pass on to the next question. Which part of the body helps birds to understand the changes in the weather? Which part of the body helps birds to understand changes in the weather? Eyes, special gland, kidney, or coat? I told you, no, they able to guess the changes in the weather. See, which part helps them to understand these changes? It is asked. Next, they are able to determine where they have come from. Here, determine means make out, explain, describe, decide. Next. Now let me go for the passage. See, two paragraphs are there. I will read the paragraphs one by one. Migratory birds are those birds which leave their place of living to migrate to another place whenever climate becomes incongenial. Incongenial means when it is difficult for them to live. See, the question is one for question is based on this one. Why do migratory birds go for migration? See, whenever climate becomes incongenial, whenever climate change happens, at that time they go for migration. They do so because it is difficult for them to survive in colder regions. The birds generally eat insects and worms, and during the winter their food becomes scarce. See what happens during the winter? Their food becomes scarce. Some birds move from hot places to cold places of the south. See, some birds move from hot places. When it becomes very hot, they will go in search of cold places. When the food becomes scarce, they will go in search of food. Like that, a migration will happen. Now, Let me read out the second paragraph. Some group of birds move from lower regions to higher altitudes. See, higher altitude means, see, above the sea level. See, lower levels means the height will be near to the sea level. Higher altitudes means they will be going above the sea levels. The birds are able to guess about the coming weather by watching the duration of the day. Birds have a special gland which helps them to understanding the change. See, through which organ they can guess the climate change. See, they have a special gland to understand this change. See, about this also one question has been asked. In season, some scientists are of the view that birds are extra sensitive to the Earth's magnetic field. And on the basis of this sensitivity, they are able to determine where they have come from. See, how can they remember their original places? They come for the migration, they will travel throughout the countries, over the countries, they will travel, they will cross the continents also. They will cross the continents and go for other places. Again, they will return back to their original places. See, how can they determine this one? How can they know the path? See, this is due to the Earth's magnetic field. They are sensitive to Earth's magnetic field. Based on this magnetic field, they can identify where they are, and to which place again they should return back. So they have a special gland and they are very sensitive to the magnetic field. These two helps them to migrate from one place to another place. Now, let us go for the first question. Why do birds migrate? Birds migrate because of in search of food, climate which does not suit them, hot climate, cold climate. Very good. Very good. Option B, climate which does not suit them. When climate becomes incongenial, another word is asked, is mentioned in the passage. Incongenial. See, when the climate becomes incongenial, means which does not suit them, they go for migration. Very good, correct answer. What happens to the food of the birds in winter? It is not available. It's stored, becomes scarce. Very good. Insects, all the insects, they will become scarce in the winter. That's why they will get less food in the winter. Very good. Next question. By watching the duration of the day, birds are able to guess what? Changes in the air, changes in the weather, changes in rain. Very good. Yes. B is the right answer. Changes in the weather. Correct. Next question. Which part of the body helps birds to understand the changes in the weather? Very good. Special gland. A special gland is there which helps the birds to understand the changes in the weather. Next. Last question. They are able to determine where they have come from. Here, determine means make out, explain, describe, decide. Which one do you think is the right answer? A1 is the right answer. You can take that one as the right answer. Here, determination is where they have come from, they can make out from which place they have come from. Very good. You can take make out as the right answer here. See, explain. See, they cannot explain. They cannot describe also. You both are here. Here, decide is also a little bit near meaning here. Determine.
make out will be exactly suitable for that one. Okay, they are able to make out where they have come from. Okay, they can know from which place they have come from. Okay, with this I would like to end today's first passage. Thank you students for the participation.